I made these cute little specimen cards just using my circle punches. This is the easiest way that I found to make specimen cards. So if you want to see how to do it, just keep watching and you'll see. Thank you very much. I will have the links. Ooh, I can't talk today. I will have the dimensions of the paper that I used and which size circle punch I used for each one, so that you can make yours into like a square like the dog, or maybe like the more rectangular look. I like the rectangular look better. And then you can see that I've used craft card as well as designer papers for this. I hope you enjoy. Hi, sorry if I sound sick, I am. But I just felt good enough that I thought I'd come on and share this little video showing you how I make my super simple specimen cards. I think they're really adorable, and you can make them to be like serious, you know, with the bugs, or you can just make them to have fun. See, little doggy. So the one we're going to make today is we're going to make this one, but I need to show you what I used to make them. Sorry. Okay, so you're going to use your punches. The punches I used are a 2-inch punch, a 1 3/4 inch punch. I even used a 3/4 inch punch. I made this itty bitty little specimen card with it. And these punches are very strong. Some of them came from Stamping Up, I can't say it. And then this is an EK Success punch. These will go through 2 sheets of cardstock at the same time, and it's important that you use one that will. So I have decided that on the one I'm going to make today, I'm going to make one like this, that I am going to use the 1 3/4 punch. And so I cut a length of cardstock at 3 inches by 7 1/4. I just folded it in half, and I'm going to take my punch. I'm just going to kind of eyeball and hope I get it right. Because I'm using the EK Success, I'm just lining up the top with this line right there. Here, one last quick look. There we go. And pop it out. And there I've got my hole. I'm going to go ahead and ink my edges on this one. If you notice, when I made this one, I did not ink the inside edges because I knew I was going to have to cut the rose piece back and put it on. So I just inked the outside. This one's I'm going to ink the inside edges too, because this one has a peach on it, because my friend Sheila is a real peach. So I'm just going to go around the edges. I'm not really a super big fan of inking. Maybe you are. That's cool. There we go. And then to just grunge it up a little more, I'm just kind of making stuff. If you don't like it, well, hey, you know I'm sick. What do you expect, huh? Okay, so I've got that done. Next thing you're going to need is a piece of plastic. And the plastic that I've been using comes from these plastic bags that hold the paper that I get, the craft paper. They're absolutely perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut off. I'm just going to come in here and just cut right off the bottom. Pull out that little piece. Then I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to eyeball. I'm going to hold it inside. I just kind of want it to come over the edge a little bit. And my folded edge is over here, but I'm going to put my fold at the top. So I'm just going to, like I said, eyeball it. And then just cut across. You can use lamination. You can actually laminate your little thing inside of 2 pieces of lamination paper, and then you can just put that in there without having to go through all this extra steps. All right, so I want to cut just a little bit more off of this side. There we go. And so now I'm going to take my sticky tape and I'm just going to lay this right alongside my hole. Whoa, that one kind of got away. That's all right, I don't really care. Do you want to make sure no sticky shows through? And then I'm going to put it at the top. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is just pull off my sticky. Actually, I'm not pulling off the sticky, I'm pulling off the sticky backing. Just like that. And then I'm going to take, remember I told you I had a folded piece. I'm going to take my folded edge and put it right along my sticky and just boom, put it in place. And that's fine, that's the way I want it. And then I'm going to decide which element I want in the center of my window, and I've decided I want this cute little pink hot air balloon because I like it. So I'm going to lift up this window and just place my balloon in there however I want it, just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a couple more pieces of tape just so that when it comes down it'll hold nicely to the plastic. And actually, if I wanted to, I can just really just do one at the bottom here. How easy is that? See how easy this is? I mean, there is like nothing to it. And they really look cute inside of journals, inside of photo albums, mini albums, scrapbook pages, all that good stuff. Now I'm just taking my tape, laying it at the near edges, near enough for me edges, cutting it. Okay, I'm going to start on this side because this one is underneath that other one and I want that one to stick to it. All right, taking off my sticky backings. And I'm just folding and smoothing. And there we go. I may want to ink another edge here, or actually, I'm just going to take my scissors. Do you see that little line right there? I'm just going to go ahead and cut off that little sliver of paper that shows that I don't like. There we go. Very good. Now I'm going to put on my little doll. Oops, I'm going to put her on this side because I want the peaches to show. So she's my LOL doll. I get them at Hobby Lobby. I love these things. They are so cute. I must have bought a million. And then I love big bows. And I'm going to see if I can put it on there. And I can. See, she's got a big bow in her hair. So I thought this would be a cute addition. Here we go. I love big bows. And then I also like this. Happy girls are the prettiest girls. I'm going to see if I can't use that across the bottom. I may have to move my doll up. Yep, just a tad. I'm going to have to move her up just a tad. Excuse me, darling. All right, there we go. Happy girls are the prettiest girls. Ooh, and they even have a bow I could use somewhere, but yeah, maybe right under there. Just so we kind of have some balance. Because this is so big that we need something kind of big over there too. There we go, and there we have it. Super simple specimen card. This one's kind of whimsical, but you get the idea. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. I am so honored that everybody subscribes, that does subscribe. Thank you so much. I will put the measurements below for the different size punches that I've used and the different size papers that I've used with a brief description. Like this one will be called Dog. This one will be called Spring. This one will probably be called Pumpkin Girl. So you get the idea. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great day.